Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products to help you make smarter purchasing decisions.
Today we have two dash cams that will keep you safe on the road.
On the left, we have the ARIFAYZ Dash Cam Wi-Fi FHD 1080p car camera, and on the right, we have the VEEMENT Dash Cam Front 2.5K.
Let's dive into the comparisons and find out which one is the best fit for you. Buckle up, folks!
When it comes to capturing the unexpected moments on the road, video quality is crucial. The ARIFAYZ Dash Cam boasts FHD 1080p video recording, allowing you to clearly capture license plates and road signs during the day and night.
It's like having an extra set of eyes on the road. On the other hand, the VEEMENT Dash Cam takes it up a notch with its 2.5K 1440p resolution.
With advanced Starvis sensor and 6-glass lens, it captures crystal clear video, ensuring that no detail goes unnoticed.
It's like having a Hollywood cinematographer in your car. Now let's talk about connectivity. The ARIFAYZ Dash Cam comes equipped with built-in 2.4G Wi-Fi and an intuitive app for Android and iOS smartphones. You can easily access a live stream, download videos, change settings, and even share your footage with a tap of a finger.
It's like having a personal social media manager for your car.
On the flip side, the VEEMENT Dash Cam also offers seamless 2.4G Wi-Fi connectivity and an app for instant access to your recordings.
Share those jaw-dropping moments with your friends and family through social media.
It's like becoming the star of your own action-packed movie. Let's talk about parking mode, a feature that provides added protection when your vehicle is parked. The ARIFAYZ Dash Cam requires a mini USB hardwire kit, not included to activate its 24-hour parking mode. It automatically switches to parking mode, detects collisions and records continuously, ensuring your vehicle is always under surveillance. It's like having a personal security guard for your car. Likewise, the VEEMENT Dash Cam also offers a 24-hour parking monitor, but it requires a separate hardwire kit, ASIN B0BCPPN3YR, to activate this feature.
With its time-lapse recording, it keeps an eye on your vehicle's surroundings and captures any suspicious activity.
It's like having a private detective on duty.
Last but not least, let's talk about durability.
The ARIFAYZ Dash Cam is made of high-quality PC and ABS materials designed to withstand temperatures ranging from -4 to 167, -20 to 75. It's like having a dash cam that can handle extreme weather conditions like a boss. Similarly, the VEEMENT Dash Cam is built to last with its high-quality ABS plus PC construction.
It can withstand temperatures from -40 to 185, making it a reliable companion even under scorching heat. It's like having a dash cam that's as tough as nails.
Reviewers have praised the ARIFAYZ Dash Cam for its good video and sound quality, user-friendly app, and excellent customer service. On the other hand, the VEEMENT Dash Cam has been commended for its impressive features such as 2.5K resolution, app, and Wi-Fi, connectivity, and clear and detailed footage. Overall, both dash cams have received positive reviews. And there you have it, folks.
We've compared the ARIFAYZ Dash Cam Wi-Fi FHD 1080p car camera and the VEEMENT Dash Cam Front 2.5K.
Each dash cam brings its own unique features to the table, but ultimately it depends on your personal preferences and priorities. Remember, always choose a dash cam that suits your needs and ensures your safety on the road. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below.
Stay smart, stay safe, and we'll see you in the next video.